Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you step by step how to install fabric mods for Minecraft in 2025. If you want to add awesome mods and make your game even better, follow along and you will be ready in just a few minutes. So first of all, in this step we are going to talk about download fabric installer. First open your browser and then open a new tab and just go to fabric.cm.net. So how will be the spelling? So that will be the spelling fabric.cm.net, and here you will just need to be search this one .net, and then actually it will redirect you to the official website. This is the official fabric website. You just need to click on to the download. Once you click over here and choose the installer for your operating system, Windows, like we are going to download for Windows, just like this one. Once I click over here, then you can see that our fabric installer already been downloaded. So once it download, open the installer file. You just need to be open the installer file. Just click over here and then install this one. Just click yes, and it will take a couple of minutes and then it will be installed. So here they give us the options. Here you can see it, the process is this. So you just need to be follow the process. So select Microsoft version 1.21.7 from the drop down and make sure your loader version is the correct one. Then the procedure is available here. So again, let's try to install this one. Here you just need to go over here and click this one and just click this one. Okay, they don't find, so they are telling us to do these things. So first of all, video tutorial we have. So step is very Java is already installed. So install fabric in Windows. So I will go with this one, and then here you will get the step-by-step guideline. So Java tutorial, follow the Java, create a fabric client instance. So the process is little bit difficult, but when you become so much familiar, then it will become so much easy for you. So now in the next step, you just need to download fabric API. Next you will need the fabric API, which most mods need to run. Like you just need to go to the keywords like this one, CursForge.com. The spelling will be CUR as a Curs, FOR. This one is the spelling. Let's go to here, and here you will get all mob file. You just need to be search for fabrics API, fabric API, and let's hit enter, and you will get the options. If not, then there is available in here. So you already get this Minecraft one. You just need to download this one. So if the match this one, like you just need to be go over here and find it out all the description. So you can see that the file is quite bit okay for you. Then once you think that this one is good, then you just need to click to the install. Let's find it out the Minecraft. So you can see the review collections. You can see the collections also. So you can see modules 10% using this one. So if you want to install this one, you just need to go over here, and then you just need to get Surface app. You just need to click over here. Then find your mods folder, like open your Minecraft launcher, select the fabric profile and run the game. Once this creates the necessary folders, close Minecraft, and then you just need to be press Windows plus R, type app data and hit enter, and go to Minecraft, then find the mods folder. If you don't see a mods folder, just create a new folder and make it mods. So you just need to launch Minecraft right now. Reopen your Minecraft launcher, select the fabric profile and click play. Your mods should now be active. You can check by going to the mods button on the main menu, and that's it. You have installed fabric mods for Minecraft. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and happy mapping.